Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel again. I'm going to be making this a very brief broadcast today. It's basically down to how the behavior of the cryptocurrency market has been of late. So you may be wondering that we've had a little bit of a rally to the upside of late, and you may be wondering why uh, uh, Bitcoin and the rest of the cryptocurrency market has struggled to um, continue this rally of recent, and it's down to one technical reason, which I'm going to be giving you straight out the gates this today, and I hope you enjoy it. So hop on this broadcast to uh, find out one very good reason as to why Bitcoin and the rest of the cryptocurrency market has struggled in recent time. So catch you in just a minute. So here is the total cryptocurrency market cap, and Bitcoin commenced this sort of a relief rally from 13 July. You can see Bitcoin, as you already know, has a very huge dominance over the rest of the cryptocurrency markets, about 40 something percent dominance from the cryptocurrency, from the market cap perspective. So you can see, as a result, the total cryptocurrency market cap resembles that of the Bitcoin chart, almost on a one-to-one basis. I've talked about this before in the past. I'm going to be refreshing your memories about that in just a second. So you can take a look at this as well. I'm going to be showing you here again, so you can just to clear your doubts once again as to how this is. That's now here's the Bitcoin chart, and you can see we had this relief rally started on 13 July. You can see the nature of the chart, the nature of the candlesticks, and here is the total cryptocurrency market cap. You can see very similar pattern commencing on July 13th as well. You can see the nature of the charts and the candlestick formations as well. So this is an almost one-to-one representation resemblance of the Bitcoin chart. So I'm going to be placing the lines back so you can have a very good look at what is going on the chart. So the cryptocurrency market has on getting to made some big moves, and on getting to 24k commenced this struggle. There was a serious struggle around 24k, and then you may be wondering why 24k. Why has Bitcoin struggled at 24k? 24k in the past hasn't really been a significant a pivotal point in the market, and you may be wondering why it suddenly has become one in the cryptocurrency, in the Bitcoin and cryptocurrency market as a whole. So this is the reason why it has suddenly become a pivotal point in the market, and that is down to the cryptocurrency total market cap. And if you remember this region, I'm going to be switching to the weekly time frame, a bigger time frame, so you can have a better look, taking up the lines so you can see clearly here. I'm going to be fixing back the lines in a second. So this is an area that has proved to be very pivotal in the past. This area has proved to be very pivotal in the past. So this is the region we're talking about here. This region, this region. It extends down to last year, down to this year. This region has been a very pivotal region in the market, and this region actually coincides with well with a 30k territory from Bitcoin. And why Bitcoin is here to get to 30k, we're approaching that territory, and we're already seeing serious resistance and reaction from the market. And you may be wondering why, and this is down to the fact that the cryptocurrency, the total market cap, already got to that region before Bitcoin did. So this is a very critical region. This is the 30k region on the Bitcoin chart, which has been one of the most pivotal regions, if not the most, arguably the most pivotal region in the Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency market. And we had a revisit to this region on the total market cap chart. So hence this reaction we've currently been experiencing from the market of recent. This region has proved to be, in the past, has proved to be resistance back in February of 2021. January, February, and then it was flipped back to support, a rounded retest to this region back in May, during the huge market crash back in May 2021, and it served as support all throughout the period of over 2 months consolidation. We had a bounce from that region, and we had a revisit to that region again this year, 1 year later, in May 2022, about 3 months ago. We had to chill out there for a while again. It took over a month of chilling in that region, and then we finally broke out of that region. So we are back to that region. It has been flipped back to resistance again. So the tendency for the market to react massively from that region is almost 100%. So hence you can see the moment we got to this point, there was loss of momentum from the bulls, and the market had to react. Multiple rejections of this region serving as resistance, and everything slowed down, and hence this, you can see now that we're beginning to see a massive sell-off from that region, and this is clearly evident from the Bitcoin chart. As you can see, Bitcoin on getting to 24k has been struggling. We've never had a close above 20. We never got a close above 25k on at least a daily closing basis. We never got that, and been massive rejections upon rejections, and constant struggle has led to attraction of bearish pressure, and hence you can see that the region is already beginning to give away. So we formed a potential double top at this point, and the market still struggled to close above it, and we had to go through another period of consolidation for a couple of weeks, and we seem to form another top here. We seem to be like a potential triple top, and we're seeing the markets fail to close above it, and after so much struggle and multiple rejections, the market seemed to react immediately. It gets to 24k, and you can see that the market is no longer able to hold that region again, and we're beginning to see a massive sell-off as we speak. So we talked about this with in a couple of my communities I belong to. Talked about this on August 2nd, and then that if this bearish pressure continues, we're likely to see 21k, and that is what we've seen today. We've touched on 21k. So the neckline of this double top pattern comes at around 20.7k, and if we see a break below that region, that's neckline, we're likely to see a revisit of 18k or possibly 17k, which is at the bottom of this consolidation that we've been stuck in ever since June. So that has been the summary of Bitcoin of late. Bitcoin has struggled, and it has been down to that one technical reason. So that will be it from me today. And just before I round up, I talked about DXY in my last broadcast. I talked about the fact that Bitcoin DXY was definitely going to be a bounce, was definitely going to fight back in spite of this massive bearish pin bar it formed at the end of last month of July. I talked about the fact that we're definitely going to see a rally, a relief rally, like some sort of a retracement, if not a massive retracement from this candle. And once that happens, the rest of the market was definitely going to struggle, and that has been the case. The euro, the forex related pairs, and Bitcoin has been struggling as a result. So we're seeing a massive retracement. I talked about the possibility of even getting to the top of the tip of this bearish pin bar, and if that happens, we're going to see a potential double top. And if this is compromised, if you have a close above that, then we're going to see complete invalidation of this bearish pin bar. So we're seeing a massive retracement. We're above 60% as we speak. We should be roughly 70% or thereabouts, and you can see that that is as a result of the DXY still yet to form a lower low. We're still forming higher highs and higher lows as things stand. We are still yet to see a close below this former swing high. Is forming, acting as support as things stand. We're yet to see a close below it to form a new lower high, and we're yet to see a close below the last swing low, second to last swing low, basically, to form a lower low. So long as this, I talked about the fact that so long as we stay above this territory, this region, this territory, this box, so long as we stay a bit DXY stays above this box, we're expected to see a strong DXY, strong US dollar, and weak cryptocurrency markets and other related pairs. So that has been the case, and until we start seeing a close below this box, we'll see a close back into this box on at least weekly closing base, daily and weekly closing basis, which would form new lower lows from the DXY on the daily time frame, and will also further show further weakness from the DXY as well. So that is it from me today. I don't need to start going into the details of how the rest of the cryptocurrency and forex pairs have been reacting. That would take more of your time. So we can see that Euro USD has struggled as well of late as a result of the current strength from the DXY. So that is it from me today. I hope you got value from this, and if you did, please let me know in the comment section, and feel free to like, share, and subscribe to this channel so as to get quality updates and analysis like this. And always remember that this is for educational purpose and not to be treated as financial advice, financial markets trading. is a risky affair. So always endeavor to carry out your own research before entering the trade. Do have a lovely weekend ahead. Bye bye.